Hey, what's up, guys?
Hey, Lou, you can make me the core of the Pantone 802C.
Yeah, let me go check with Joffrey 1 sec. Joffrey, I got one of our guys out here. They want to know if you can make them a quart of the 802C on our mixing system.
Oh yes, of course.
What do you got?
Let me pull up the data. How much does he need? A quart?
He needs a quart.
All right. All right. Yeah, there is.
All right. See what Joffrey's doing. Hey, Joffrey, you think you can make that Pantone for him right now?
Oh yes, I'm gonna start it right now.
All right, great. All right, we got the 802C, and it looks like we're using yellow, UMX. We're using our mixing white, $50 a gallon. We're using our UMX dark green, and we have our ultimate yellow. Okay, then we got a scale. All right. Hey, Joffrey, any luck?
Yes, I got it. Just checking out the color.
Oh, you're right on. Good deal. Okay. Okay. Where's the chart, the Pantone?